A Vistara flight heading from Bhubaneswar to Delhi had to land quickly today. Why? Because the windshield got a crack due to hailstorm. The flight took off around 1:45 pm but soon ran into trouble. Within 10 minutes, it needed to land back urgently. Thankfully, the landing went smoothly and all passengers are safe now. The airport director Prasanna Pradhan shared that besides the windshield, some parts of the plane also got damaged. Now the passengers are waiting for another flight. It will take off only after the necessary fixes are done. Pradhan assured everyone that it was just a normal landing, nothing to worry about. This incident shows how quickly things can change while flying. It's a reminder of how important it is for airplanes to have regular maintenance and for pilots to handle emergencies calmly. Stay tuned to Orissapost Live to stay updated.